Meaning of deification.
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 Deification. Deification is the act of transforming someone or something into a god or divine being. It involves elevating an individual or object to a level of reverence and worship that is reserved for gods or goddesses. This process can be achieved through various means, including religious rituals, artistic representations, or cultural beliefs. The result of deification is that the person or thing in question is seen as all-powerful, all-knowing, and capable of controlling the world around them. This can lead to an intense devotion and admiration from followers who seek to emulate the divine qualities of their deified subject.